If you want to turn on direct messages on X, also known as Twitter, this is the quick and easy way to do it. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact settings you need so you can start receiving message requests from everyone, or adjust your messaging preferences the way you want. This is really useful if you're growing your account, trying to connect with followers, or simply want people to be able to message you more easily. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your X account. Once you're on the home page, look at the left-hand side menu and click More. This opens up the full list of account options and settings. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account controls are stored, including privacy and messaging options. Next, click Privacy and Safety. This section is where X keeps many of the controls related to how people interact with your account, what they can see, and how they can contact you. Now, find and click Chat. This is the area that controls your direct messaging and message request settings. Once you're inside the chat settings, look for the option that says Allow Message Requests From. By default, this may be limited depending on your account settings, but if you want to enable more open messaging, choose Everyone. This allows message requests from anyone on X, not just people you follow. If you want, you can also review any additional message settings available on the same page and customize them to match your preference. For example, you may want to keep some message filters on, or allow certain notifications depending on how you use the platform. Take a moment to make sure the settings are exactly how you want them, because this will determine who can reach you through DMs. After that, you can simply close settings. There is no extra save button in most cases, so once you select the option, your changes should take effect right away. And that's it. You've now enabled direct messages on X and set your message requests to the option you chose. Now people can send you messages according to those settings, making it much easier to connect and communicate on the platform. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.